This error code indicates that your device failed to connect to Zoom servers. And if you're also looking for a solution to this problem, you can watch this video to learn how to troubleshoot the problem. First of all, ensure that your modem or router is working properly. So if you haven't unplugged it in a long time, go ahead and disconnect the power cable. Additionally, check if there are other devices that might be interfering with your router and remove them from that area. Moreover, if you're using an old router model, maybe it's time for an upgrade. For the next fix, try to disable your firewall and antivirus. Do it by searching for your antivirus software, like for an example, the Windows Defender. Search for the Windows Security. Then click Virus and Protection. Select Manage Settings. Scroll down to Exclusions. Select Add or Remove Exclusions. Click Add an exclusion. Then type in Zoom. Then save the changes. You should also try to add Zoom to your list of trusted websites. To do so, go to Internet Options. Select Security tab. Click Trusted Sites. Click the Sites option. Then under this option, type in the following and apply the changes. Now that's how you can troubleshoot this error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.